So today, I had a conversation with an insurance company that was laughable. That was just absolutely ridiculous. It was a three-way conversation between my client and an insurance company or an insurance adjuster. And my client was very adamant about wanting his car repaired correctly, following manufacturer's guidelines. And part of those guidelines required OEM parts to be used on his vehicle. And the insurance company wanted to use aftermarket parts because they were cheaper. They would save the insurance company money. When the consumer said that he wants his car to be safe and to utilize the right parts, the insurance adjuster's response was this apocalyptic response about how if we paid for OEM parts on customers' cars, then all insurance claims or all insurance policies would skyrocket and everyone would be paying ridiculous amounts of money for insurance. So, I mean, I'm listening to this, I'm going, okay, so, if these people from good hands, pay for a $200 fender versus a $170 fender that they're trying to utilize, that clearly is unsafe according to the manufacturer's guidelines, the whole world's going to crash down, insurance is going to spike, and no one can afford a policy. And yet, for some weird reason, they left out the $1 billion that is being spent in marketing and the quarterback that's being paid advertising dollars and the football stadium that was purchased, or the blimps that are in the air, or the insane amount of marketing that gets spent every single year by these insurance companies. They can afford that, but they can't afford to spend an extra $30 for you to have the right parts to make sure that your car is repaired correctly and safely. It's ridiculous.